Our mission of the Ops and Maintenance Summit is to bring the groups together: maintenance, ops, landfill, and resource solutions. We had a awesome keynote speaker, Travis Mills, Wednesday morning that really hit home with almost everybody in the room. Yeah, so our theme this year with the power of hard work, and we coupled that with a veteran angle, and Travis fit the bill. His fortitude, his resiliency, he's a remarkable guy.
Not only are people like super nice and excited to meet me, but offer to buy me drinks and take care of me and offer they never met me before, but all because of the service that I had to this country. So very patriotic group that supports veterans, and it's always a fun time.
Collectively, that culture that we all share, I see it in my team. I see it in the team that's here throughout the entire company.
I think this is fantastic. This is a great way to meet other people that are doing the same thing that you're doing. You can bounce ideas off on each other. So you get to meet a lot of people that you don't ever get to meet on your everyday journey through Casella.
And that's what's great about this event is that it's the entire company. It's all of our footprint. It's not just one piece of what we do or in a certain segment of our footprint.
With all the acquisitions that we've done, I think it's very powerful to bring the new team members in to, sort of get them like a real dose of what Casella culture looks like.
Everyone's just been has a smile on their face and just eager to shake your hand and talk to you about what they do and where they come from. And yeah, it's just been a great vibe so far. I thoroughly enjoy it.
We've had this explosive growth, and as we grow, it's really important to make sure, first and foremost, we're growing our people. They're understanding who we are as a company, what we believe in, what it's important to do with our frontline employees, our customers, safety first, the environment, servicing our customers, supporting each other.
Always strive to get better, put in 100%, and never settle for anything. You can always do better.
Integrating more and deeper into Casella means a lot to all of us. So I get to see John, I get to see Ned, I get to see Sean, I get to see other leadership that are in the home office that I don't get to see every day. I talk to them on the phone, occasionally on a Teams call, but again, being with them and building our relationship better and stronger means a lot.
I think day to day we kind of get hyper-focused on just what's under our own roof, and coming to something like this and seeing how many people are on your broader team, how many people are here to help you, they want to help you. They'll be more likely to reach out and call each other after something like this, but it's just going to make Casella that much stronger.
We brought back Odyssey teams from last year, so we're building upon our bike building missions this year with the veteran angle. We're building cornhole boards, and they will be painted and decorated, and half of them will be donated to Travis's foundation. They'll be set up at his camp in Maine, so when families bring their children to his camp for their week-long stay, they'll be able to enjoy the cornhole boards. And then the other half of the boards will go to a local veterans organization here in Saratoga Springs.
We were overwhelmed. Anytime there's an opportunity to bring awareness and be in a community setting to just talk about homelessness within the veteran population is a huge win for us.
It was very inspiring, and I could see it hit home with a lot of the folks in the audience. And I think anytime someone crosses paths with you that can change your perspective and how you just view your day-to-day and some of the tasks that confront you daily, both personal and professional.
Everybody came together creating boards for our vets, and what those boards do is it gets them out, it gets them socialized. It gives them just being out in the sunshine hope that there is a new beginning for them.
Get up there, get after it, understand that you have a lot of life left to live, so find your purpose and your direction and go forward with it.
If someone can change your perspective in an instant like Travis did, it's a powerful tool for you to take to work, to take home, and it's going to make you a better person. And many of us here today wouldn't have had that opportunity to hear him if we didn't work for Casella and a company that provided these opportunities for us.
Casella's always been a supporter of the foundation. They help us out with our 5K and things like that. So I appreciate that donation they make, and I even said that, yesterday, hey, thanks so much for supporting us, but today I was not expecting a check, and know that we're very honored and grateful for you to support us and believe in us that much to do that.